In this video, I'm going to show you why a tape measure is your best friend for getting accurate measurements before any home project, so you don't end up buying the wrong stuff or cutting things too short. Seriously, if you want to save time and money, knowing how to use a tape measure right is game-changing. First off, always check the tape measure length. Most home ones are about 25 feet long, which is perfect for measuring rooms, furniture, or materials. When you start measuring, lock the tape in place so it doesn't retract while you're working. That little click button is clutch for that. If you're measuring longer distances, use a helper to hold one end or hook the metal tip onto a stable edge so your numbers don't get messed up. Don't forget to measure twice before cutting anything. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. No one wants to waste wood or fabric. Also, get comfortable reading both inches and fractions, because tape measures usually break down into halves, quarters, and eighths of an inch. It's easy to get confused, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be measuring like a pro in no time. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make with tape measures is not starting their measurement from the right spot. Like, sometimes they forget that the metal tip actually moves a little to account for its thickness, so your measurement could be off by nearly a 1/16 of an inch if you don't compensate. Another common issue is not holding the tape straight. If it bends or sags, your measurement ends up longer than it should be. And lastly, a lot of folks don't lock the tape when measuring and then lose their exact number because the tape retracts on them unexpectedly. Quick fix for all this? Get familiar with how your tape measure's tip moves. Always keep the tape tight and straight and lock the blade every time before noting down your measurement. BigHomeProjects.com is seriously helpful if you're tackling a project and need to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle. It also hooks up contractors with homeowners who are looking for pros, making sure everyone gets matched right and the job gets done without headaches.